another live stream, people. Today is the last day of July of 2024. Today is Wednesday, July 31st, 2024. And we have one hell of a thunderstorm coming through. Here we go. This is something I haven't seen in a long time for the Bristol area. The last time I saw a storm this intense was May 15, 2018. May 15, 2018, all over again. Yeah! Here we go, people. A little bit of green sky in there, too. A little bit of green sky right in the middle. Here we go. 2018 all over again. Yo, here we go. May 15, 2018. Instead, though, it's on July 31st, 2024. Yeah. Woo! Get inside, people! Green sky! Bad weather ahead! That's a sign to go in. Too dangerous. Go in. Go in. Way too dangerous. Go in. Time to go in. Here we go. Whoa. Green sky, people. Green sky. AJ, Justin's top Jeep salesman. And this happened on a general thunderstorm risk day. Wow. Wow, look at this wind field. The sky is green. Oh, lightning just struck behind us. Lightning just struck right behind our building. Wow. Man, green sky. This means hail or tornado. I don't know. Usually this will mean green. Green sky means tornadoes. Wow, this is amazing. You're about to be like so bad you're not gonna believe this. We have green sky. Too dangerous. We got rotation. Rotation right up there. Woo! No tornado, but rotation. Definitely got rapid rotation right above us. Man, this thing is spinning like a top. It is. Enjoy it. Yeah. Oh, lightning just struck something.
Hey, what's going on? What kind of storm clouds are these?
These are tornadic thunderstorms.
They're what?
Tornadoes.
So
There could be one. There is lots of spin.
No.
If you look right here, that's all rotation.
Where?
Right in front of us.
Right there?
Yep. That's all spinning. Usually you get these type of thunderstorms every 4 years. Man, on a general thunderstorm day?
Really? Are we going outside?
No. Too dangerous. Lightning already struck behind us.
No. Are you going to go climb the tree?
No.
No.
It's going to get a lot worse, so just be ready. Nope, this is what was supposed to happen. I'm keeping an eye at Walmart.
It'll be an interesting one. This is like the best viewing spot in Bristol too. On top of the fishbowl here, so.
Lightning, another strike, another double. Oh, blue lightning, blue lightning. Look at that. There's a big rotating thing. Damn. I don't know. Maybe Walmart might get a direct hit. Why are people at Walmart still working outside? Damn. Look right there. You can see it. Everybody, Darren. Darren, look. Rotation right there. Let me get the rotation.
Tradable cars, right? You guys use it a little bit. Is she got like the nicest car in the house now?
Oh, Walmart might get the tornado head on. Wow, look at the spin. No, it isn't. Not even close. This is what we've been waiting for. A derecho. Yep, you're gonna see a lot of power flashes probably. Holy. No power flashes. Oh, here we go. Trees are flying. Trees are starting to fly. That is good. Come on, give us one. Got that one. Got that one. Lightning hit a tree. Like I was forecasted. Here comes the rain. Oh, look right above us. Holy crap. Look at the spin. Look at the spin right there. Man. This is incredible. Whoa.
Putting themselves in a worse situation because they're selling the car at a high price. The value drops a little more because it's looking at the car. Rims on it, like smart things. It's got rims. It's not like caps. Interior is nice. Lower gas mileage. And that was the thing. She was like, it's 30. That's good. I was like, yeah, but my truck is 12. So first up, like, you gotta put gas in this thing. Like, yeah. I said, so gas is like $3.60 a gallon. Like, you go 30 miles, I get $3.60. I go 12. The same $3.60.
That was a close one. Let's watch this thing before this thing blows through. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Main event. Main event. And then there's more after this one, too. Here we go. Main event. Oh, got that one. Look at the flag. Look at the flag. Look at the flag. Whipping. Look at the flag. Look at the flag. Look at this flag. This flag is whipping.
I know you've been into one of these tracks, but you know something? It's not all that stuff that flying around. I gotta get back.
Woo!
I also gotta get some stuff that
Here we go,
usually
guys.
falling down, you know. Yeah, like I said, I thought the roads were nice. We just for the last like 7 years, it's been tough to actually 8 years. It's been tough to get cars normal size.
The road's pretty good. The kicks going all-wheel drive is like a smaller and more compact.
We did look at those
car. If they were all-wheel drive now, it's not one because there's no fit between this thing, which is like up to 40 now.
Oh, I got that one.
This stance. There's no like usually.
Oh, whoa.
All-wheel drive. I was like, she ain't driving right now. But I was like, front-wheel drive instead of snow tires. Like, I think it should be alright. I want to get a rear-wheel drive. Front-wheel drive. Badass. In high school, she had driving. And hopefully by the time she's like, I have to get to her work or something. She's got some years of experience in it.
Here we go, guys. Main event. Here we go.
Yeah.
Just they shut down.
Yeah, so.
I'm in where I gotta be there. That's where I go.
Whoa! Woo!
Should I get that all set?
Here we go.
Did you make it in time?
I did fast as you get to go to that.
You're about to arrest me.
Yeah, this is awesome. Yes.
Bring my truck over to service.
Well, if it's still raining, we can bring it onto the road.
Yeah, I'll bring it.
Cool. Harvey should be done shortly.
No
We had a
debris.
little bit of a delay starting that one, so it's just about 5. Shouldn't be too much longer. I'll let you guys know right now.
This is why I did not go fishing.
Coffee, soda. We're good, thank you so much. You guys can hang tight, go do the iPad or anything you can.
Yeah, I'll do that for.
I'll go back and check on you guys. It shouldn't be too much longer. Alright. Be right back then.
This is amazing. Just what we were waiting for. God is angry. Mm-hmm. Whoa!
You guys have a hunter? We just checked. We walk over to the house.
Cloud to ground lightning.
Make sure he's there, 'cause now we're trusting that the twins are about to let him in. He could be hiding under the table. Yeah, just please check.
This is fun. Whoa.
Put it back.
So you know how to water the garden today.
This is nuts! Thunderstorm of the year! Oh, that was a perfect one. Run, run! Got that! Got that one. I knew that was coming. Yeah! I got that one! I got that one! This is probably going to be officially the best lightning strike video of the year. This is it. This is the best one. Whoa! Jesus fucking Christ! Firecrackers! Whoa! That's a PDS. Whoa! Jesus fucking Christ!